Hey everyone, I'm Nina Zadeh with Sidewalker Daily, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you the best link in bio tool to monetize your Instagram, your TikTok, and other social media handles. Now, if you guys are new to this channel, welcome. I love talking all things social media and influencer marketing. And here's the thing, with a lot of the influencers that I talk to, monetization is a really big key message. So when Koji came to me to partner on a video, I was beyond ecstatic because I really believe that this tool is going to change the game when it comes to monetization in your link in bio for creators of all sizes. So don't worry, I'm going to be going through and sharing with you guys my screen, sharing with you guys how easy it is to implement and all the different resources available for you. For those of you not familiar with Kojis are interactive posts that can be created in literally seconds and shared within social media apps. So they do the things that, websites like Cameo or OnlyFans or Patreon do, but instead of having to go somewhere, it opens up within the app. And I'm going to show you what I mean by this. So what I mean by not having to leave the social networks, I just wanted to show you guys really quickly by visually demonstrating that this is our Koji. It's in our link in bio. We love it. We use it. It looks so good visually. But let's just say here, right? We give the option, ask us one question about your biz. And this is how we're monetizing using Koji, right? So in order to ask us one question, it's $10, right? So the user, our fan will go in here, ask the question and hit send message. But this whole transaction happens within Koji. You don't have to send them somewhere else. So it makes it really, really, really easy to monetize. And you'll see this with our different Kojis that we have as well. This is our tip jar, which is an amazing way for creators to monetize because it basically is saying, love what we share, click here to send us some love and, leave a note, which is a really fun area of Koji because the notes that you get are so amazing. Seeing everyone, loving your work and your content. And the best part is once the fan or your follower is done transacting with you, so let's just say they did tip you, boom, they come right back on your profile. It's all done within it. And I think this makes it really, really good from a user experience to monetize because you don't want to make it a lot of work for your fans or your followers to transact with you, right? To tip you, to pay you for a service. You want to make it super streamlined and easy, and Koji does just that. Now, because this video is about the link in bio, I'm going to show you guys other examples, not just our profile, to show you what these link in bios look like. They're fully customizable. They're so easy to make, and there's a range of different ways to add different monetizations within it. So I'm going to be showing you that and sharing my screen. But before I do, I really want to stress that this link in bio tool can be used for all different types of creators, not just Instagrammers and TikTokers, right? Whether you're on YouTube or if you are on, Twitch, let's just say, or any other social media platform, you can use your designated Koji link and plug that link into your description, into your bio, wherever you want that link to live. So we actually have our Koji link in our YouTube description, right? Because we want to make this link accessible to people who want to support our work, in a variety of different places, right? Not just Instagrams. I have it in my Clubhouse profile. I have it in my Instagram, bio. I use my Koji link in my YouTube description. So again, this is a link that you can use different places so that you're monetizing and you're, upping your chances because you're putting it in different places for different people to see. Now, everyone is calling Koji Linktree on steroids because of how highly customizable it is, because of the ways that you can have video backgrounds or different buttons and colors and fonts. It makes it really, really easy to shine and be super creative. So let me show you some examples. So this right here is the profile of Randy Zuckerberg. She was the former director of market development for Facebook. And yes, she is the sister of CEO Mark Zuckerberg. But let me show you her profile and how she's using Koji so you can see. So right away, you're able to have different buttons, right? So right here where she has Fund the Arts, when we click on this, help me support the artist I am funding, right? So this is technically her version of tip jar. So she is, passionate about supporting the arts, and she's letting her audience know this is how you can do so. And she has it as that circular icon right at the top. And then here, request a custom video. She is an entrepreneur. She's highly successful. Want career advice, feedback on your startup, mentorship? Help support the arts and I'll gladly create a video for you with some words of wisdom. So what is your video request? $250. So you can see the way you get out of the profile is just hit the little X. Let's go ahead and look at Michael Strahan, I believe his name is, yes. Very well-known figure, athlete, Good Morning America. He has his Koji right there, and you're able to see, let's look at his Koji and start seeing the different ways that he has it. So again, that big video background, he has a variety of different ways, and Michael is using it to capture emails. This is another example of a Koji. And the way I can tell, guys, is because of this little lightning bolt symbol, right? That shows me that this is a Koji mini app. So this is how I know it's a Koji. So Michael's using this to collect emails. So if you are a creator or someone who is looking to grow your list, Koji makes it really easy for you to do so. Now, I wanted to hop over to TikTok to show you a TikToker and how they're using Koji. Now, this is a very well-known TikToker. His name is Jo. He is a musician. If you go in his link in bio, you're going to look and see how he's using Koji in a variety of different ways. And his ways are really, really fun. Again, we can see right here between that little icon, those are the Kojis. So show love. I'm assuming this is the tip jar. Yep, he has, you know, do you love me? Send tip, which is a great way to monetize. Hit me up. This is going to be, let's connect. What do you want to do? Respond to DMs, story shout out, review your music, comment on a post, personal video, a variety of different ways. Let me sing for you. He has this option as a monetization tool. So you can go in and request a song from him, perhaps whether it's, you know, a birthday song, anniversary, whatever. Has that available as the musician he is. And this Koji right here, it's not always monetization. Koji makes it easy for you to stream different music as well, to put your YouTube videos. I mean, really, there's so much. So him as a musician, he wanted to make sure he has his Spotify account up there. So I wanted to just show you guys like how cool all these link in bios are, how, you know, you can really personalize them to make them fit your brand and aesthetic. Now this part's gonna be fun because I'm actually gonna go onto my laptop and share my screen so you guys can see the different monetization and features that Koji has available for you to use for free, because guess what? It's free to sign up and it's free to create. The way Koji monetizes and makes their money is off a small commission off anyone that transacts with you or that like books something. So as a creator, all you have to do is set it up and it's free to do so, and then Koji just takes a small commission, which I believe is lower than everyone else in the market. So, which makes it really, really good for people that are working hard on their businesses and all that good stuff. So, okay, let me get onto my laptop and show you guys the back end of Koji and what are some really good tools and resources for you. So what's really cool about Koji is that it's both mobile friendly and desktop friendly. I personally just like love using it on desktop, but again, to each his own. It's all about like how you want to use your interface. So here's my Koji wallet. We've made about $185 worth of tips. This came from a big Clubhouse room that we hosted. So as you guys remembered, this was our link in bio. We have, you know, our big master course up, you know, our YouTube link, everything that we think is really important for our audience of influencers to see. And then here, when you go to the template store, this is what I really wanted to show you guys. So these are some of the most popular mini apps, right? The most popular Kojis. I showed you guys examples of tip jars already. I showed you guys examples of the email collection. Interestingly enough, if you're a creator that is doing sponsored videos on YouTube, you know, or even if you're not doing sponsored videos and you want to add a video to your profile, it will let you do so. So you can just go ahead and click preview, and you'll start to see that you can literally go in, and this is how it's going to pop up on screen. You just have to click create remix for you to go in and put your YouTube video in. So I know for me, that's really exciting because I want to put up my YouTube videos. There's other ways that you can be monetizing, right? So we talked a little bit about locked photos, but I wanted to show you guys how this looks. So like a locked photo or video, you know, maybe you're behind the scenes of a photo shoot, or you want to show your customer, you know, behind the scenes. This capture is doing it, enter your email to unlock. So again, a lot of creators are looking to grow their email list. This is a great way to do so. You could also charge for this, right? There's like a variety of different ways. As you can see, it can be through payment, it can be through email, you know, there's different ways, but I did want to show that because I think that's super cool, is like the behind the scenes locked photos. And then also, like, let's just say you have an ebook or a PDF, or you want to paywall something. Maybe you have an article or a blog post and you don't want to give everything for free. Like, there is the option for you to now have like part of the blog post up, and in order for them to read the rest, they have to pay. So this is an example of like a food blogger, unlock the full recipe, right? And this is all done. This right here would be your Koji in your link in bio. So you're literally making it so easy for people to support your work and also for you to monetize. Also, if you are an influencer and a creator that is looking to do like more engagement style of work, you can get really creative here with your engagement, right? Like, there are different games, and I think what's interesting about these games is that you could really go in, let's just see this game like Slicer, for example. You can, everyone kind of knows Fruit Ninja, right? But you could go in for a brand, let's just say you're partnering with like a soda company, or, you know, you're partnering with a food brand. You can swap out these, you know, characters with your own images, which is really, really cool. So obviously in this demo, they're doing it with just regular fruit, but you can go in when you hit remix and actually choose what you want that image to be. What do you want these objects to be? So you could get really cool engagement with your audience. If, you know, again, let's just say this was your face and your, you know, your business partner's face, and the object to avoid was, I don't know, something of that nature. So these are just fun, creative ways that creators can grow their engagement, because yes, there's monetization, but you could also just put these in your link in bio, right? You could have these different games like Invaders or Falling Objects, and it shows you exactly how to do it. I also wanted to show you guys quickly something that I think is super cool is the giveaway option, is that you can also run giveaways on here. Let me go ahead and give it a quick search. Giveaway, well, that was right there, right in front of me. Okay, so if you are a creator and you're looking to enter, you know, creating your own giveaway, which is a great way to test your influence, see if people are interested, this would all happen in your link in bio. So similarly how, like, you know, we have J.O.'s link in bio, yours would be like, enter my giveaway. And then this would pop up, right? A picture of whatever you want, enter the giveaway. What do you want for that giveaway, right? So the email is the first and last name. And this is done right here on the phone. You literally just click remix. I can do it on my computer. And once I'm done creating this information, I can go ahead and publish that link, and it will show up right here on the bio, right? Like as one of these areas. So it's super, super easy. When we're talking about link in bios, guys, we want a link in bio that can allow us to monetize, to grow engagement, and to just make it easy for us to serve our audiences better. So I think I covered, you know, a big chunk. Again, podcasters, guys, so many podcasters out there. Go ahead and stream your podcast, add it to your profile, right? Whether it's Spotify or Apple, you have the code, you can go ahead and have this little thing pop up in your link in bio. I know we have a podcast. I'm going to go ahead and do that. So that this pops up and you can just play it right from within the link in bio. You don't have to take them anywhere else. They don't have to go to Spotify. They don't have to open up on Safari. You can have your audience listen to your Spotify within the link in bio, which is amazing. Oh, and one last thing I wanted to show you guys about the link in bio, because obviously we use it as a link in bio. And we have this set up. Again, you can get really creative, but I wanted to show you guys something really quickly. If you have a link tree already and you're like, oh God, I don't want to go in and like have to put all, you know, change things out. It's like annoying. Look how easy this is. If you go over here to options, you know, import your existing link in bio, and it tells you like where, you know, if you have a link tree, you literally just put the URL and it will import it. So it makes it really simple to transfer over. And here, as for style, there's so many different customizations that you guys can choose from and have a really fun time putting it together. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys how simple it is to add Kojis to your link in bio, to create them, and to import it from an existing one. All right, guys, so we covered a lot. I hope that you start to see the benefit of this link in bio tool, not only to engage your audiences further, to monetize. I did just want to leave on some closing words that I think for influencers that are just starting out and for creators that are just starting out, monetization is a big thing. And, I think what makes Koji special is that it allows creators at any level to start monetizing. You don't have to wait to be a huge influencer. You can start monetizing right away, literally today. So I challenge you to set up your own Koji, your own link in bio. Let me know in the comments once you do. Let me know which Kojis you use. Is it the tip jar? Is it the selling of PDFs or locked videos? Let me know. I can't wait to hear, and I can't wait to see you guys starting to monetize your social media influence.